Alright, so I want to talk about a few things off topic, not security related, anything. I want to talk about this channel that I've been creating on YouTube for the past, I would guess, around 1.5 years, so something like that now. It's been a big ride. I created, I don't know, 400 videos. Some of them was uploaded to YouTube, and some was uploaded to Udemy, how you gonna say it, and then back uploaded to YouTube again because I figured, yeah, I'm gonna make them free in a ways. But I want to say that it's been a blast of a ride. It's been so many videos after. I still enjoy making content. Sometimes I do struggle a bit finding good content because it's easy enough to wait for Try Hack Me or Hack the Box, some other CTF, and then just do some of the stuff there. But I really want to do something more than that. I wanna make sure that this channel, Security in Mind, is devoted more to learning and knowledge, and not so much flashing colors. I could put more into the fact that editing my videos, making them shorter, with a lot of weird face interruptions that I like kind of lag to the right or the left because I edited it too much. I really don't like to edit my videos that much. I do have an intro and outro sometimes I use, but I actually beginning to think about not even to use an intro anymore because it's taking time and no one really likes that, right? So, as you already know, I'm working as an assistant professor in the school in Denmark, and I teach many different things. Some of the things that I teach, I also created a video for on YouTube, but it's just gonna be theory-based stuff. Some of the things it doesn't really, probably not that fun to watch, I guess. And that is what YouTube is. Go ahead and look at YouTube and how they created the business model. It is primarily based upon how entertaining are you to watch. And I have been watching other content creators for some time, and I kind of still enjoy a lot watching King of the Hill with a few popular content creators and just see them do their thing without any flash, without any editing, just as a continuous, long motion of actions they do in order to compromise and find new security holes in the server on Try Hack Me for King of the Hill. So I've been thinking about that. I'm gonna do some videos in the area of King of the Hill. Now, I don't have any sort of community built up against this channel that can help me to create videos or help me to create good banners. I do everything myself. I have a very, very old, outdated version of let me show it to you, Fireworks here. It's CS6. It is. It's old. This is what I use when I create my logos. As you can see, I have these individual objects that I can move around and stuff like that. And I do things myself. I have no training in graphics or stuff like that, and I kind of feel that I'm getting better at creating, the thumbnails, but I'm still a rookie in the area. So I'm gonna reach out and ask that if anyone wanna help me, in the fine art of creating thumbnails. That could be by having a template file that I can open. I don't understand Photoshop at all. It's not really, doesn't, I just don't. I can use this program to a certain degree, but it's not like I use any of these things here. I just use some few tools, then I know how to do a few things, and I know that when no web page that can remove the background from an image and stuff like that. But really, it's very limited the amount of skills I have. I don't even use layers, as you can see. No idea. There is something layer something, but if you look at it, it's just one thing. I don't know. I don't know what it is. So if anyone want to help, by giving me some ideas for how I can create better thumbnails, and I have been reading text and seen videos about it, but it's just I don't know. It's a thing. Either you can or you cannot. I just guess I can't. So do you like my thumbnails and stuff? I'd really like to hear back from you watching the video about the thumbnails. So the future brings for the rest of the year, soon we're gonna start with the Try Hack Me Christmas calendar. I guess they're gonna do it again. And last year, I think I did more or less all of them every day. I will try to do the same again. And I will try and do as many of the rooms as I can. Now, you probably noticed that I'm not really that happy for blue team and red team exercises or forensics. I'm more like the pen test kind of guy. And also like network analysis things, but when it's blue-red team stuff, it just doesn't hit me the same way. Just like the way that I figured, this Halloween was on Try Hack Me. 2 rooms I kind of enjoyed. The other one was like, so some analysis stuff, Windows, not really hitting me that hard. I kind of promised myself to get started with Windows hacking and create a series of Try Hack Me Windows machines, and then also a series of Try Hack Me Linux machines. But then I kind of got lost in it all. Just like, I don't know what I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I just pick the machine I want to hack and then I want to do it. So that's really a thing. Also, I really wanted to do some more difficult boxes on Try Hack Me and Hack the Box, but I'm kind of concerned about getting videos that are too long, because when I watch the analytics, in YouTube, it kind of tells me that people spend 2 minutes of the time watching it. So I'm like, okay, so how can I create something that is shorter that can make sure that you learn more then? So it's really difficult thing, in a school scenario. If you were a part of the classroom, then it would be easier for me to say like, but you have to sit here for 2 hours and we have to do this theory, thing, because it's just easier that way. But on YouTube, you basically can sit and just watch. I'm gonna take a sip of this. Oops. It tastes like pineapple. So yeah, reflecting upon all the work I've been doing, I'm really happy that I got offered the YouTube partner. It's not like a special thing. Many does that every day, but to me, actually being able to make a small amount of money out of YouTube will be something for me. It means a lot, because it basically means that I can create more videos, and I want to buy some equipment and stuff so I can unbox it for you guys and make some great videos so you can learn stuff about it. But also at the same time, I also find it difficult if I just buy some equipment that's gonna be quite expensive at some point. How many of you will actually do it? And will then just be entertainment for you to watch? And I kind of don't want to do that. I want to also, and most of the time, to aim towards the learning goals of this YouTube channel is let me see the description. What did I write many months ago? It says, my main goal will be to bring you a lot of technology videos about programming, the new stuff, cybersecurity, stuff like Try Hack Me and hacking videos, and also something about video games. Now, some of these things here, these goals, I certainly touch upon all of them in a certain degree, but The one that's gonna, you know, be the biggest one is cybersecurity. I kind of want to do more about programming. I feel programming at the moment is standing on a needle because so many languages being, you know, created all the time. I don't really get it. Why is so many languages? You know, you don't need it. You know, it's like you know, like if you're gonna go to a job interview in as like a app developer, whatever they call it these days, you're gonna be like, okay, so you're gonna program in Kotlin or Python or C Sharp or what, Go or Flutter, or these kind of languages. It's just a difficult thing. So I know it could probably be really popular if I created a 3 to 5 hour video, big one, for all the different languages there are. You know, sometimes I think maybe I should do it, you know, just educational wise, then I have covered that topic. But I also don't want to just cover everything, because I have watched some content creators that, you know, just cover everything they can get their hands on. It's like, just like, boom. What I'm really trying to do at the moment is also try and create a video that can, you know, hit the search algorithm of YouTube. And then get a lot of views, because my main issue to the same day today is that I get all from, you know, around 50 views per video, some more, but it's going up a bit. But compared to the amount of videos that I created, I'm really trying to understand if I'm doing something, you know, wrong with my titles or my thumbnails. And then again, I'm asking again for help to try and get a bigger reach, because I really feel that people want to learn cybersecurity. I hear it all the time that you have a lot of students in the school want to learn cybersecurity, want to learn programming, want to learn technology, but where good channels, good plays, and it costs money. Now I just want to do it free, and then there are some commercials that you need to watch, but then that's about it. Everything will be free, you know. Of course, I do have a Patreon and membership on YouTube and stuff like that, with some special things that just for the small extra, you know. And that's fine, but the general idea with this channel is that it should be enough for you to learn as much about technology and cybersecurity as possible. Now, I also thought about doing something with buffer overflows and different kind of videos, but it's too difficult to create so many different kind of videos, because also I'm creating this, you know, pen testing bootcamp, and it's going slower than I kind of anticipated, because I have many things I need to do at my job at the moment. I'm teaching on the bachelor's education in software development, so I need to learn something about security. So I'm doing my best there at the moment. So yeah, I guess this video is getting long now, the 10-minute mark, I guess. And just me, you know, reflecting, asking for a few things and help from you guys. So please watch the video and let me know if you have some ideas or if you can help me in some way. I'm afraid I cannot offer you anything other than, you know, a thank you, and I can mention you in the video if it means anything to you. I can even do a channel shout out if that means anything to you. I can show you a picture of you. I can do something like that. I just don't know what. That's the things that I can offer. For now, I guess. And in the long run, you know, whenever this channel will grow, and I'm gonna hit 2,000 subscribers, I guess, within. If I'm lucky, I could do it this year, and then, you know, I kind of managed to get a lot of subscribers really fast. I don't know how I did it. You know, I just started posting some stuff on Facebook on different kind of groups, and it kind of worked, I guess. It's kind of interesting, you know. I really don't know much about all this marketing stuff. It's a thing, you know. I just like, what is it? How does it work, you know? So if anyone want to help with that, you know, in order to get a bigger reach, so I can find more of the people that want to try and learn about cybersecurity, please give me a shout out, and just start writing to me directly on YouTube, and then if something is there, we can either talk on Discord or, well, different kind of, I guess that would be a really good choice, Discord. So yeah, I want to say, if you got this far in this video, congratulations. It would be nice. So I'm going to say, want to see you again online, and hope that this video in some way gave you some thoughts and something to think about, and hope to see you online to learn more about cybersecurity.